Atlas Copco thanks its leadership position to a commitment to fulfill all demands of our customers, to support their operators and increase their performance. To ensure this, our generators are engineered and tested for every aspect that can impact reliable and uninterrupted performance. That's how we make the difference. Every new generator development project has a single focus: design and build a generator that better suits the customer's needs. Through thorough research, we keep track of market trends. We continuously measure our ideas against customer requirements to deliver innovative products today and tomorrow. Transport is an essential activity within the rental and contracting business. During the development process, a lot of attention is paid to the transportability. Efficiency and safety are the key elements we focus on. Between the drawing board and the final product, each design undergoes a number of practical rough handling and road tests that simulate the daily rough treatment that any unit may suffer during its extended lifetime. In order to develop a generator for safe use and rough handling, the engineers identify the stress points in the structural parts like the lifting beam and the frame. In a computer-simulated finite elements calculation, all critical parts are subjected to the toughest impact and load stresses. The results are used to optimize the design. A design that will finally result in limited damage and minimal repair, translated in more uptime and lower cost of ownership. Combining optimal cooling performance and sound attenuation in a compact enclosure is a real challenge, since our design engineers need to master opposite physical design drivers. The smaller the enclosure volume, the more difficult it becomes to create optimal cooling and sound attenuation. To obtain optimal cooling results, air inlet and air outlet openings need to be as big as possible. And to obtain low noise, all openings need to be as small as possible. We test the enclosure configuration by measuring temperature on more than 20 points on the machine. This enables us to better understand and to improve cooling performance. The results are carefully evaluated in cooperation with the engine supplier in order to obtain his installation approval. With equal accuracy, we measure the noise level on our noise test field according to the applicable ISO standards. We adapt and fine-tune the enclosure configuration and add noise absorbent material until the correct balance between cooling and noise levels is reached. Fuel consumption is one of the critical factors in the total cost of ownership of a generator unit. By thoroughly testing the fuel and oil consumption, we are able to provide specific information which allows our customer to predict his operating costs in detail. To maximize the lifetime of Atlas Copco generators, vibration levels are accurately monitored and analyzed. Measuring points for vibration levels are carefully chosen in compliance with ISO guidelines. Where needed, special actions are taken to reduce the vibration levels. Results are being discussed with key component suppliers to receive their built-in approval. When we promise to fulfill all power demands of our customers, it's of course very important that the output of the unit meets all expectations. For every product we develop, we make sure that the total harmonic distortion remains below 5%. Transient tests serve to check whether the voltage and frequency during the load fluctuations meet the G2 norm. Every single unit we produce is subjected to this test before it leaves the factory.
Very big difference in temperature during the year in our climate. Different customers with different mentality, with different experience of such equipment.
Our generator units end up in whatever place our clients' activities take them. We take all measures to safeguard reliability under any of these conditions. In our climate chamber, we test the generator behavior to temperatures down to -15 degrees Celsius and even -25 degrees Celsius. The enclosure design must protect all critical components, such as the control panel and the alternator, against rain ingress. there's no room for compromises. We carry out a harsh, extensive rain test with detailed inspection to guarantee optimal protection against water ingress. Even though all these tests should guarantee a long-life operation under all circumstances, we don't take risks. The final check of every development is an extensive endurance test, which is concluded before we start serial production of our generators. Designed by clever minds, tested to the core, our generators will prove their quality in the field. Months of developing and countless tests result in reliable, safe, easy-to-handle, cost-efficient portable generators ready to face the most extreme conditions. Exactly what our customers demand. Designed to perform, built to last, our mission to support the customer's business.